years old. That's unfortunate. And very nervous. There's a lot of people here watching. Obviously a lot of people out there watching. Nice kick going on the ramp. Into a 360, very smooth. The judges are marking on the basic trick. That's unfortunate, but he's straight back on his bike. It's very difficult to keep your composure. Once you've made a mistake, you have to get yourself together and get back into your routine. 8 compulsory tricks. Nice ramp still, didn't quite get it. But that's no problem, he's still on his bike. Getting ready for a switch around. Last couple of seconds. Okay, time up.